Okay, good day guys. Welcome back. So to those that are new to this channel, make sure you do that to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day on gold. So you can see that we will be expecting a drop very soon. So be expecting a reversal movement, which means markets will likely drop anytime soon. So this is the reason why we will be expecting such a movement. So let's start with the trend, meaning we would want to understand the full movement on gold. So we would have to go to the daily time frame, and we all know market tends to give us three movements: either an uptrend, a downtrend, or a ranging market move, right? Now, if you take a look at this gold, the full trend on our gold is literally on an uptrend move. So basically, on this our day time frame, we've been having a series of higher high and an higher low. I think this movement actually started around October 2022. You can see it here. This uptrend move has been giving us from the period of October 2022. It has been giving us that uptrend move, to 2023, to 2024, and now we are currently in 2025. So the overall trend on our gold is actually an uptrend move. Now, market is now giving us another trend, which is we can see as our current trend. This is it here, ranging market move. We all know markets tends to give us either an uptrend, a downtrend, or a ranging market move. So right now on this our current trend, market is giving us a ranging market move. So basically, whenever markets drops to this our support level, we tend to see it rise up. So tap this our resistance, then it will come back to this our support level. You can see it eventually came back to our resistance and then drop again to our support level. You can see it also rose back up to our resistance, then dropped back to our support, came back to this our resistance level. So this is one of the reasons why we should be very careful around this level, because markets would most likely drop anytime soon. I mean, take a look at this level here. This is our rejection level, which is our support resistance, rejection level, our resistance, rejection level, our resistance, and this will most likely be our rejection level, and markets will most likely drop. So for swing traders, right, be expecting a sell. Now for day traders, we will cover that very soon. But for swing traders, right, all you would want to do is look for a setup, a perfect setup to actually hop in for the sell gold. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. You clearly can see that this 4-hour time frame is still very much trending, right? So it is still very much trending. We would want to probably see it drop to break this low here before we can now hop in on the sell. I mean, if markets can drop and break below a level of 3393, that should be a confirmation to you swing traders that it is now time for markets to actually sell. So all you just want to do is be careful. Once market breaks this level, then you can now hop in on the sell. So stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the comment section.